Okay, so we got this situation. If E1 and E2 are the eccentricities of this and this. Now look at this. This time they are not labeling name. So you can conclude that this is what? This is ellipse. Do you remember x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1? It is ellipse. Okay. And who is this thing? This is hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So this is hyperbola, है ना? And this is ellipse. So E1 is the eccentricity of ellipse and E2 is the eccentricity of hyperbola. So let's find out those E1 and E2 one by one. So look at this. You know that here A is bigger. So and this is horizontal. So therefore it is horizontal ellipse. So in horizontal ellipse, you know that always we will have 1 minus e square. The thing which is bigger will go inside. So a is bigger, so a will go inside. So a square is 18. Now b square will wait outside, so it's 4. Correct? So now let's simplify. So it is 2 by 9 equals 1 minus e square. So e square equals 1 minus 2 by 9. So it is 7 by 9. Comfortable? So, okay. So we got E1 as root over 7 by 9. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now let's try to crack eccentricity of this hyperbola. You know that this hyperbola is horizontal because a is this constant number is positive. So horizontal hyperbola we have connected with horizontal ellipse. Now you know that we will have 1 minus e square for sure. In horizontal ellipse, who is bigger? A is bigger. So a square will stay inside, b square will stay outside. But this is the condition of ellipse, not hyperbola. So what is the change in hyperbola? The change in hyperbola is we used to replace b square with minus b square and things are done. Correct? So please go through it. So 4 by 4, b square is 4 and this is 9, 1 minus e square. Now let's do that. Minus 4 by 9, 1 minus e square. So e square will become 1 plus 4 by 9. So e will become what? Root over 13 by 9. Okay. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. Now let's proceed with the question. Respectively, if the point E1, E2, E1, E2 lies on the ellipse this. So if this point will lie on the given ellipse 15x square plus 3y square, so it will satisfy that ellipse. Then find the value of k. So what we have to do, just replace E1 with x. So it's 15 into 7 by 9 plus 3 into E2 13 by 9. Okay, so we will get value of k. Now you can simplify this situation like it is 5 time, it is 3 time, it is 3 3s are 9. So it is 35 plus 13 by 3. Okay, so we will get like it is 48 by 3, which is 16. Correct? Therefore the value of k is what? 16. I hope you got the approach and you can solve similar kind of questions. Okay.